Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in growing generations by generations. So Ultimate Gardeners, as you can see, we have 3 boxes right in front of me. These are all boxes that consist of different plants that come from the Royalty Plant Company. There's been some type of partnership around this. I actually been wanting to partner with them for a long time, and they made it possible. And so we have 2 fruits and 1 flower. I can't wait to see what I have in here, and I just am super thrilled. So we're gonna go 1 box at a time, starting with this one right here. And so let me go ahead and set up the camera, position it, unbox it, and we'll talk about the plant that's inside. Okay, so this, I can see what it is. Looks like, unfortunately, the flowers came in broken, but the plant looks pretty healthy. So let me actually open it from the bottom. Okay. You guys can't see on camera, but okay, so this is beautiful. So this right here, is there a tag possibly? But I know this is an agapanthus right here that they sent out. So let me go ahead and just, oh, here it is. This is the sugar plum agapanthus. Let me go ahead and clean up this up, show you the flowers that broke off, and then show you the plant. So Ultimate Gardeners, here is the plant. This looks very healthy, but once again, the flowers did come off. This is once again the sugar plum agapanthus right here. So now this one, I'm hoping, because I know one of these plants are pretty tall, so I'm hoping they did not come snapped, but who knows. Okay, so this is one I was actually very excited for. So we'll leave this anymore. Oof. Wait. Oh! Wait a minute. They sent me a t-shirt. This is adorable. They sent me a Royalty. Oh, this is cute. Look at this, Royalty Plants Plant King. And I thought I saw something else. Oh yeah. So this is good. They also sent me like a planning book right here. Their brand, which is pretty fun. And so what the actual main purpose we're here for is this. This is super exciting. So let me go ahead and clean this up, and then I'll show you the plant. Oh, a little quick pause. They also sent me this cute pen with this crown on it. So Ultimate Gardeners, here is this plant. I absolutely love how it came in. So I know the name of this one is just, there's no visible tag that came with it. This is their Arabica coffee, something like that. I'll pop up the name on the screen and a picture of it. But this is a coffee plant. The coffee you drink comes from this. So I just can't wait, I can't wait. So now that makes me more excited for the other one. So now let's move on to the last and final box. These type of plant is pretty. Oh, okay. This one actually came in pretty perfect. So let me go ahead and, whoa. You can even see it. Okay. This came in perfect. This right here, I've actually been with, okay, so there is a tag. This is their Guava Peruvina white guava right here. Whoa, this is huge. And the foliage is amazing. Look at that. I'm pretty impressed. So let me go ahead and clean up my station, set up the plants, and we'll talk a bit more detailed about them. So Ultimate Gardeners, here's the Fab 3 plants that they sent out for me to trial out. I am super pleased to see what they sent out because they are in great shape and they will grow just fine here in the state of Florida. So coming at number 1, this is their Peruvina, I think. Yeah, their Peruvina white guava plant. This is actually one of my favorite ones out of all the 3 that were sent out today because look at this foliage. This is crazy to be a plant that was shipped out, and I think Royalty Plants did an amazing job shipping all 3 of these plants out. And so the good thing I know about guavas that grow here in the state of Florida is that they like humid, tropical, and heat states. So you would find these in like Florida, California, and stuff like that. But 3 main points you want to know when growing guava is it has to be in a full sun location, has to be watered 1 time every 3 to 4 days based on your climate zone, and it has to be fertilized 1 time every 2 months based on the fertilizer you use. So guava is a very low maintenance plant that delivers great produce for you to grow. Moving on to number 2 is their Sugar Plum Agapanthus. This is an ornamental, so it gives off these beautiful blooms that have cluster of deep purple. I've grown Agapanthus before, but nothing this pretty. Yes, we had a little mishaps. The flowers did pop off, which was no problem at all. And some of the foliage is broken, but that's not going to be a problem at all in the garden once they're planted out. 3 points you want to know about growing Agapanthus: it's a full sun loving plant. They like to be watered 1 time every 2 to 3 days, and they like to be fertilized one time every 2 months based on the fertilizer you use. Moving on to the last and final plant, which was one of the most interesting plants for me, which is their coffee plant. I don't know how to pronounce the first name. Of course, every single plant that goes through is going to have a photo and a plant name. But this is where coffee comes from. If you're a coffee lover, I would recommend growing coffee. I'm just super thrilled. I don't know nothing much about coffee just yet, and so I would not like to give any type of points, only that I know they love full sun. So that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Let's just go ahead and wrap it up. Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, a huge shout out to the Royalty Plants Company for partnering with us on this video. I just love the plants that they sent out. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel. And also, please share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where their food comes from, but not only that, learn how to grow it. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.